Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a delicious green pea soup topped with peanuts and fresh mint leaves. This is a refreshing and super healthy dish that you can serve as a light lunch accompanied by your favorite bread. First, peel and dice the onions and garlic. Trim off the roots of the leek and coarse dark green of the tops. Remove any damaged outer leaves and cut into slices. Then, rinse well to remove any trapped dirt. Also, peel and cut the potatoes into medium-sized chunks. And rinse a few times under cold water. Now, melt the vegetable butter in a large saucepan and gently fry the onion, garlic and leek over a medium-low heat for 2 or 3 minutes, stirring occasionally. Stir in the potatoes, peas, thyme, and a pinch of black pepper. Cover with a lid and let it cook for about 5 minutes over a low heat. In the meantime, coarsely crush the peanuts using a clean freezer bag and a rolling pin or a food processor if you prefer. Also, finely chop the mint leaves. Here, I'm going to use 2 vegetable stock cubes to make 1 liter of stock, but you can add only water if you prefer. For this soup, my personal preference is for a thinner consistency, but if you prefer a thicker texture, reduce by 1 or 2 deciliters the volume of stock or water. You can always add more water afterwards if you need to adjust the consistency. Bring the pan to a boil, turn the heat down and simmer for about 20 minutes or until the potatoes are falling apart. Remove the pan from the heat and using a stick blender, puree the soup until you achieve a very smooth and creamy texture. Taste and add some seasoning according to your taste. Ladle the soup into bowls and top each one with 2 or 3 teaspoons of crushed peanuts and some chopped mint. Serve with toast or your favorite bread. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoy, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty vegan and vegetarian recipes.